Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well in these days. In this video I will show you how to display different colors using programming C. So here is my code that I am showing it to you. I have written this code in the code blocks software, that means the code blocks version 20.03. It is the latest version of the code blocks. You can find it through internet, and these are some header files that I am used here. And the main use of color is this header file, that means include stdlib.h. In this header file, system function is predefined, and through this system function I will show you how you can change the different colors in the background of console app. So if I build this code and then run it, here is the console app background that you are seeing. Now I will press every time enter button. You will see different colors will display. This time it is coming blue, then green, then sky blue, then pink, then violet. After that you can see these types of colors, then ash color, then deep ash, again sky color. Now you can see this time the statement is green and the whole background skin is white. And in here it's finish. You can see the execution time. Total execution time needed for this code is 59.065 seconds. So however, this may be an interesting thing for the beginners who are actually learning programming C. I think this should be an interesting thing for them too. Again, if I run the code, now I will make it faster. Every time the color is changing, background color is changing, and the statement color is also changing as well. This time it has needed total execution time 15.444 seconds. Up to this today, I will bring some new things and interesting videos on my next video. Till then, thank you to everybody, and be safe and keep yourself protected. Thank you everyone.